Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create DeepSeek account. For that, you will have to first of all download and install DeepSeek application in your device. And for that, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store. And here in the search bar, you need to simply search for DeepSeek. Now, once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different applications that with the name of DeepSeek, but you will have to tap on this one that has the whale type of icon. So you need to tap on it and you need to just install this application in your device. After the successful installation, you just have to tap on the open button in order to open the application, and the homepage or the interface of DeepSeek will look something like this. Now over here you can either provide your email address or phone number and create a strong password for your account. Then you can create your account, or in the second method what you can do is you can simply tap on the sign in with Google option and you can select your email address over here. Now after selecting your email address, it will just take a minute and it will sign up your account, or it will help you to create your account with the help of your email address or Google account. Now you can just type your query or you can type your message or prompt over here and it will generate the responses to you. Now right now DeepSeek AI is absolutely for free and you can use DeepSeek as an alternative of ChatGPT. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.